Everyone, welcome to the demo on cybersecurity. The global cybersecurity market is currently worth $173 billion dollars in 2020, and it is predicted to reach $270 billion dollars by 2026. Let's see what cybersecurity is. The definition of cybersecurity is the protection of data and systems within the networks that are connected to the internet, including information security, information technology, disaster recovery, and information privacy. Cybersecurity consists of technologies, process, and controls designed to protect systems, networks, programs, devices, and data from the cyber attacks. Now let's see one example how the cybersecurity works. Let's imagine Disha is someone who's doing regularly shopping on the www.shoppingcart.com. She has her details saved on the website. Details like name, address, and the cart details to enable good shopping experience. All this information is saved on the server. One day, she got an email from a shopping website saying she is eligible for a special offer discount. In order to get the coupon code, she was asked to fill her details on the website. She thought it is just for an account verification step, and then she realized there is a danger. After some time, the substantial amount have been deducted from her bank account. How do you think this has happened? Well, the email she was received was fake. This kind of attack is called a cyber attack, and the person who does this is called a hacker. Now let's see why cybersecurity is important. Before I talk about more on why cybersecurity is important, let's understand, in everywhere, irrespective of any industry, though it is IT industry or a banking sector or a non-IT industry, everywhere there is a data. Companies are using the details of the respective employees, like personal details, official details. So this is entirely data which needs to be saved, and this is a confidential data. To save this kind of a data, cybersecurity will be helpful to every organization. Now if you see here, governments, military, private corporations, financial institutes, hospitals, and other business collect, process, stores a great deal of a confidential information on computers and transmit that data across their networks to send the data to other computers. Now, with the growing volume and substantial of a cyber attack, ongoing attention is required to protect sensitive business and the personal information, as well as safeguard national security and the personal data. Also, nowadays, the nation's top intelligence officials warn that cyber attacks and digital spying are the top threat to national security, helping terrorism. Well, when we talk about cybersecurity, it is also equally important to know what are the cyber threats or what are the different cyber attacks. Well, if we talk about types of cyber attacks, one is malware attack, phishing attack, man in the middle attack, docs and SQL injection, also zero-day exploit, cross-site scripting, and business email compromise. So these are the couple of types of cyber attacks. Let's see let's understand few cyber attacks in this video. Well, the first one is a phishing attack. Phishing attack is a way attempting the acquire, such as the username, password, PIN, bank account, or credit card details. Well, majorly phishing attack occurs in this sort of scenarios where a hacker will be hacking your user ID password or PIN numbers of the bank and also the card details. Now this is how your personal data will be hacked by the hacker. uh, with the personal data from your laptop to his PC, he will be transferring the data. Now the next we can talk about malware attack. Well, the malware, miscellaneous malicious software such as a virus, which is specially designed to disrupt or danger a computer system. This is how the malware attack works with the different sort of effects with the virus and the rabbit, and you also have trapdoor, var, and all this. All right. Now the other attack that we can talk about is man in the middle attack. Now what is man in the middle attack? The man in the middle attack intercepts communication between two systems. For example, in an HTTP transaction, the target is the TCP connection between client and the server, and this is how the man in the middle attack will be worked, and your data will be hacked by the hacker. Now, as part of this video, let's understand little more about cybersecurity. For example, if I imagine that if you are if you are planning to learn the cybersecurity program, what are the things will be covered in the cybersecurity and how the course content looks like. Let's talk about it now. There you go, cybersecurity, and this is the course content of cybersecurity, majorly security risk assignment with what is ethical hacking and proactive defense, and you also have the incident response and the management, and you also talk about other things like security risk assessment, do's and don'ts attacks, and attack mitigation techniques, firewalls, IDs, IPs, IPS, all right, cryptography, right? Yeah, and you also talk about incident response and the management, log analysis, forensics, right? And the entire course content, the course curriculum will be like this. You will be learning about security risk assessment, that is ethical hacking, introduction to the ethical hacking, and here you understand in detail what hacking is all about. We will also learn about ethical hacking, and the topics goes like this: footprinting, what is a footprinting, and scanning, proxy, and hacking web servers and the web applications, a session hacking, and the other services, system hacking, everything. These things you will be learning as part of the course of cybersecurity: phishing, malware, wireless hacking, and you also have in the second module these things you will be learning about the introduction of security. Okay, how it will be secured, and what are the firewall, and you understand what is a virtual private networks. Okay, and then it goes the module 3 where you will be learning about SIEM. Okay, SIEM is one of the very important tool when it comes to cybersecurity, right? We'll talk about the introduction to SIEM and the architecture of it, and then it goes like this: the incident response, we understand the incident response, and mobile forensics, right? So everything is that we'll be learning in this course really important. So so these things will be covered as part of cybersecurity. Okay, someone who's planning to learn cybersecurity, and this will help you to understand what all the things will be covered in cybersecurity. So I hope this video will help you to understand brief about the cybersecurity, and this is a small sort of a demo that I thought that I can share with you guys as part of the cybersecurity. All right, if you have any questions, just let me know. We will work together. All right, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.